Ready to make your text pop with a fun and playful bubble font in Adobe Illustrator. First, let's open Adobe Illustrator and create a new document. Choose your desired dimensions. I'm going with a standard square. Grab your type tool from the toolbar and click on your canvas to begin. Type in your chosen word or phrase. Now, select your text. Choose a thick, bold font that will work well for a round, bubbly effect. A font like Impact or Bebas New would be perfect. Make the text larger so it fills a good portion of your canvas because we want our bubble letters to be easily visible. With your text still selected, go to the Object menu and choose Expand. This will convert your text into editable shapes in the Expand dialog box. Make sure both Object and Fill are checked, and then click OK. Now, the fun begins. Select your text with the Selection tool, and grab the Effects menu from the menu bar. Clicking on Stylize and choose Round Corners. This will make your corners round by adding a radius. Adjust the radius value until your corners start to look bubbly. Once satisfied, click OK. Next, let's add some color and dimensions. Select your text and then click on the Fill color in the Properties panel. Play around with gradient colors such as whites, pinks, and blues to give your bubble font some highlights. And there you have it, a fantastic bubble font in Adobe Illustrator. Experiment with different colors, gradients, and effects to create your own unique look. Don't forget to subscribe for more design tips.